Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Petter and today we're doing something very special. We're unboxing the Mavic 3 Cine drone. And I've been waiting for this drone for such a long time. Let's unbox. We need a knife. Woo. God. So here it is, guys. What a beauty. What a beauty. Woohoo. And it's just a box. Imagine what it looks like when it gets out of the box. Okay. I'm just kidding. We're not going slow and gentle. We're too eager for that. There's a little bit of a tape here. It needs to go off. I guess. Oh, that's neat. A little bit of opening in the plastic so that we can grab the drone. Oh, it's too heavy. I resign. Let's tear it open. I don't like the smell, but I also like the smell because it's the smell of something new. But it also smells really, I don't know, like paint. It's the smell of the paint of DJI. Like, this bag looks pretty damn nice. Look at it. Whew. There's these clasps here. Oh, they're metal. Listen to this sound. Listen. And one on this side. There's an opening here with nothing in it. And as you may know, or not know, this the thing opens up. This. And then it turns into a backpack. Yeah, like this. Oh, like this. So you clasp these on here and here, and then you have a backpack. And it says here that you can also make it like a shoulder bag. I think that's another piece. Guess it is. I don't know. But that's not the good part. Skip this. Okay, now that we're done with the bag thing, I think at least, let's open the good stuff. You want a top-down view? Top down? You'll get to see it before me. That's not even fair. Enjoy. Oh, that's not special. Okay, so we got a case of stuff here. Oh, that's neat. A little pouch. Zipper. You can put stuff in there. Oh. So this is the new smart remotes. Let's look at the smart remotes. Okay, so underneath I can see difference right away. The antennas are folded differently than on the old DJI remote, smart remote, and oh, you have your joysticks tucked into this spot, little cubby hole if you like, and these feel, oh no, feels nice. It's tiny. That's what she said. Goes like this. Oh. Goes like this. You know, straight away, right away, I see huge difference, and that is how tactile and nice these joysticks feel compared to the old drone. See, there's difference here. I can try to make a short video explaining and looking at the differences between this remote and the new remote, the old remotes, but seeing how this remote only works with the new drone and the old remote only works with the older drones, I don't know if it's something you're interested in, but if you are, leave a comment below and I'll check into it. Send me a message. I don't know. But it looks nice. Antenna's go out like this. And you can flip and flop and flippity flap. See on a flippity flip? Other than that, most of it seems rather similar to the old remotes. I like these ones. There's a little bit of a bump in the buttons here, so they have a tactile feel to them as well. And you have cinema, normal, and sports, and land, and on, back, and button. I don't know what it's for. You have micro HDMI, micro SD card here, micro SD card slot here. Used to be on the front of the old remote. USB-C ports. You have screw holes here for some reason. I've never used those. It's probably to hold the remote if you want to. I actually used that in a production. No, I've never used it. Nope, I've never used that. But on the old remotes, you could screw these into here. You can't with the new one. Fun fact. Okay, what should we do next? Drone. Check what's in here. Tie my hair in the ribbons. I don't know. What do you think? We're going for the drone, of course. This is one sick drone, I think. Unclasp this. Oh, that's magnetic, I think, yeah. Slide this off, and there you have it. Hasselblad camera, 2 cameras, a micro 4/3 sensor on the big one, 1/2 inch sensor on the smaller, the telephoto lens. Only thing I'm not so I think it's pretty, I don't really understand why they haven't made it possible to shoot RAW on the telephoto lens. I don't know what's missing to make that possible, but if it's possible, I hope that is something that change in the future, because it's cool to shoot RAW so that you have a lot more room to fix your files and stuff in post. But yeah. Woo. Like, I'm not used even to the Mavic 2 Pro, so what I had before was a Mavic Air 2. The size is different, I can tell you that. That's the battery. If you take out that, the drone is a lot more lighter, and if you throw it real hard, you might be able to fly 50 meters if you throw really hard. But if you want to take photos with it and film, you need one of these heavy ass batteries. Like that actually felt like loading a gun or something. Reloading! Fuck yeah. Sorry, YouTube. I'm all out! Reloading! I almost dropped it. Okay, now let's not do that until it breaks. You have 2 camera sensors on top. You have omnidirectional behind here, like they're curved on the edges so that you get a 360-degree view. You have 2 underneath, some sensors, some lights. You have your propellers. Like, it feels like a sturdy drone. I'm so looking forward to flying this. And as you see, it says Mavic 3 Cine on the Cine version. So that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. And now, how do I get this on? I think actually you have to tilt this one because it was tilted when I opened it. Maybe that's just random, but like this is so simple that even Peter McKinnon should be able to do this one. That feels nice. Like it holds propellers safe if you do it correctly. Like there's even like it's winged so that protects the propellers. And the magnetic thing, DJI logo. Like, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So let's go for the next part. On the side compartment here, you have 2 extra batteries. Oh. There are actually slots in here for them, and an extra slot for your charger or probably another battery if you need to. An opening on the side. Oh yeah, there's the shoulder strap if you want to have it slung over your shoulder like you just don't care. Buttons here as well. Neat. You know what? To find out how this works, I think we have to open the black box. Let's open the black box. You have your quick start guide. Never needed those. This looks like the battery charger. You can take 3 batteries at a time and do like this and slide them in there, Nate, like this, and slide in there, and this third one is in there, so I'm just gonna wait for that one. Come clean up, anybody, please. And then you have another, oh, that feels nice. I don't know if you can see that, but it's threaded USB-C cable. At least I am gonna know which one belongs to this drone because I don't have any cables that is this nice. And this is probably the high-speed sync cable you need to transfer your storage, your footage from this storage, the 1 terabyte internal SSD onto your computer, and you'll fill your computer in no time. And here is another USB-C cable. It's USB-A. to USB-C. For those who still use USB-A. You have a metric shit ton of propellers. Fly, my babies. And then, oh, you have 2 more tiny joysticks. Neat. Filter cases. That does look neat though. 64, 128, 256 and 512. Like, I am not planning on traveling to the sun anytime soon, but if I do, I'm sure gonna bring the 512 filter. I can't imagine it's gonna be needed, but if it's gonna be needed anywhere else, I'll tell you. I'll make sure to tell you. And another filter case for when you need a filter, but it's not on the sun. You have your 4 natural ND and your 8 and your 16 and your 32. This is probably going to be used so much I'll have to buy a new one. Nice reflections. I like the case. I don't like this part here, but the rest of the case feels nice. This feels a little bit flimsy, like it's just plastic, and I am pretty sure it's gonna break. So I'm probably not gonna open them up and close them that much because suddenly they're broke. Broke again. And here you see the USB-C port. So this probably goes in like this, and for some reason there's a USB-A instead of just a USB-C, and then this goes into the smart remote. Is there anything else? I don't think so. That looks like it's it. I'm impressed. I'm so looking forward to flying this thing. First I need to charge up the batteries, look at stuff, and then go out and fly as soon as I can. And you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys along. There's no doubt about it. You know, I'm probably gonna compare this to my old drone. Not that it's a fair comparison to compare this one to the Mavic Air 2, but we're gonna do it just because I think it's gonna be incredible. Okay then. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Reloading! I need you more.